great pleasure to join you for the launch event of the Brazil Tech Award 2019. I would like to congratulate Madtech UK and all the partners of the prize for this very timely initiative.
I'm very privileged to be hosting the launch of the Brazil Tech Awards.
The state of São Paulo alone is the same size as the whole of the United Kingdom. It represents only 3% of the Brazilian territory.
This technological revolution presents huge opportunities for countries with the ability to seize it, and Britain and Brazil certainly have that potential.
My expectations for the first edition of the Brazil Tech Awards is to be the stepping stone for innovative scale-up companies in Europe in their process to expand to Latin America. We need to communicate and to reach these entrepreneurs and being able to communicate to them about the size of the opportunity that is in Latin America, and in particular in Brazil as the major market in the region.